And hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Josie. Have you ever wondered why Chinese fried rice tastes absolutely delicious? Today, I will make my top 2 super easy fried rice and I will share to you my secret ingredients. But before we start, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you find my videos valuable to you. So, without further ado, let's get started! And here are the ingredients for Chinese fried rice. First, we have the cooked rice. I already made this earlier this morning. So make sure if you're going to do it, make sure that the rice has cooled down. And the recipe and the measurement will be in the description below. So before we start cooking, we have to cut our vegetables. Okay, let's put our oil. Okay, we heat up our oil. We're gonna put in our eggs. Put in a little salt and a little pepper. Put a little Shao Xing wine there. Guys, that's our secret. We're going to put this to the side, okay? Okay, add a little oil. Add our pork sausage. So let the fat comes out of this sausage, maybe about 2 minutes. And this sausage will give so much flavor to your rice. You will be able to order online whatever I use in here. Onion, carrot, broccoli, and mushroom, and rice. Your soy sauce, oyster sauce, the salt. Now we can put a little bit more soy sauce. So guys, don't be afraid of tasting your food, okay? Make sure that you're not putting too much. So you can put in your soy sauce. And our Shao Xing wine, of course. Don't forget that. That's the secret. A little bit of pepper. Now, if you want a little bit darker than this, you can add a little bit of a dark soy sauce. So I'm adding maybe half a teaspoon. Now you can add in the egg. Now we're gonna add in our peas and our scallion. Our peas is frozen, so it's already cooked. So you don't have to cook it for so long. You want that green color in your food. If you think that the recipe is a little bland to you, you can add a little salt. And we're all done. And now we're ready to make our shrimp fried rice. And here are the ingredients. Our cooked rice, shrimps, red onions, carrots, celery, green peas, corn. You can use frozen corn. Today I boiled my fresh corn, so to save you time, you can just use frozen corn. Scallions, eggs, Shao Xing wine, our secret. Oyster sauce, also our secret. Light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, salt and pepper. And now we're ready to cook, and we're gonna head to our stove. Okay, we're gonna put our oil, a little bit. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to put our scrambled eggs first. And then we're going to put our eggs to the side. Next, we're going to put our shrimp. Put a little oil there. Okay, you can now flip your shrimp. If it turns orange, it's ready to flip. Now we're gonna set aside our shrimps. And we're going to put in our red onions, our carrots, our celery, then our rice. You gotta loosen up your rice because you want to make sure that when we add the soy sauce and the dark sauce that they're all coated with the sauce. Now let's add our dark soy sauce, our light soy sauce, oyster sauce, of course our wine, and mix. Now it's ready to put in our green peas and our corn, scallion, and then our eggs. There you go. Make sure that you break the eggs like this, so it's not like chunky. Alright folks, this looks good. We are done. I hope that you guys enjoy the recipes. Please leave comments below of the top 2 and tell me which one you really like the most. Okay? Until next time, ta-ta for now.